Please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and like, comment, share our videos. Thank you. Hello all, I am Dr. Neha and welcome to my channel Physio for You. I hope you are all fine and safe at your home. So today we will be saying about the knee pain. Knee pain is very common, mainly in females we see, and usually the condition is called as osteoarthritis, that is OA of knee, which is because of the degeneration of the joint space, right? So this is very common as the age advances, many people get it, and there are many reasons for it, right? That it can be because of the weight, it can be because of the stress coming on your knee because of your lifestyle. It can be like if you are having long standing hours of your work, it can be associated with varicose veins also. So it depends what is the reason because of which you are having knee pain. Other than osteoarthritis, I think you can get a sprain. It can be just the muscular pain also, and it can be just because of the stress. It cannot be like long term or the chronic case, right? So it might need a proper assessment of your knee to recognize the diagnosis or to recognize what is the actual reason for it, right? But today we will be seeing the 5 basic exercises which you can do in any of this condition if it is there. So if you are having sprain also, or you are having OA, that is arthritis kind of thing, or you are having muscular pain, any of these things, any of these cases, you can do these 5 basic exercises. So you don't need to go to any clinic right now at least, right? So before we start with the exercises, again we have to assess our pain. As I have told in my previous videos also, if 10 is a severe pain and 0 is no pain, you have to first see where your pain stands. Okay, if it is very severe like 9, 10 or from 8, 9, 10 and you are not able to move or you are not able to walk and all, I think rest is necessary. And again you can give the hot pack or cold pack if the swelling is there or pain is too much there, the sprain is there, or it's just an acute injury like just 2 to 3 days before, you should apply ice pack, right? But if it is a chronic case, you are having osteoarthritis since many years or just 3-4 months also, you can use the heat pack, right? So first is the assessment of the pain that you have to do it, and if the pain is on the medium scale and you can just do the daily course but the pain is still bothering you, these exercises will surely help you. If your pain is on the 8, 9 or 10 scale, for first few days you have to do the hot pack or cold pack, whichever is comfortable for you, and then you can resume to these exercises. Okay, so today we will see the easy exercises which you can do for your home. So first one is the ankle toe movement. You have to stretch your ankles up and down, right? So in this you have to hold it. Whenever you are stretching it, just hold it for 10 counts, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then down, hold it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. You have to do the 10 repetition of these exercises. Well, this exercise is, if you are doing at ankle also, it relieves the stress coming on your joint, because this calf muscle, it is joined from knee, it is joined to the knee joint also and to the ankle also. So most of the time if your calves are tight, it gives stress on your knee. So when you are doing this stretch, it releases the stress coming on your calf joint, so automatically it releases the stress coming on the knee joint also. So this is the first exercise which we are doing. Secondly, what we have to do is the static knee exercises. See, here you have to press your knee down, right, and hold it, relax. Press it down and relax. You can see near my knee, down and relax, down and relax. This is called as static quadriceps exercises. Most of the knee movements are controlled by the quadriceps muscles. So whenever the knee pain is there, and mainly in the cases of osteoarthritis, our quadriceps muscle gets weakened very early, right? So this exercise is very helpful in that case. and you can do it n number of times. Means if you are resting at your home, you are just lying down, you can do it just this way. Press it, relax, press it and relax. So for time being, if you are doing the exercises, for that time you have to just do it 20 counts. You can do the fast count of it also, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Well, whenever the weakness is there, this movement is most of the patients it's very difficult to do. Right now when I am doing it, you must be finding it very easy, but they are tend to do the ankle movement along with it this way. So these are the trick movements. So we are not supposed to do that. We have to keep our ankle stable and hip also, and just press the knee. Okay. So this exercise, it controls the patellar movement. Most of the patients who are having the weakness in the quadriceps muscles, they are tend to have the buckling of the knee while walking, right? Means they are just walking and suddenly in between they just get that buckling of the knee. So this exercise helps in that, right? So if the weakness of the quadriceps muscle is there and if they are not able to do even this movement also, what we can do is we just have to take a small napkin roll and we have to keep it down the knee this way, and then we can tell them to press it. Okay, see, now this will be much easier. You have to keep your ankle this way and press it, relax, press it, relax, press it, relax, right? So this way we can do the 20 repetitions, and otherwise also in whole day you can do it n number of times. That will be helpful. Next, what we are supposed to do is the VMO exercise. VMO is the vastus medialis muscle, which is the part of the quadriceps muscles only, but it only acts on the last 5% of the extension, right? So whenever the knee muscles are weak, they tend to get the extension lag. So we are supposed to keep a pillow like this so that the angle will be there. You can either lie down or you can sit this way. If lying down is comfortable for you, you can do that way also, right? So you just have to lift your leg and make the knee tight, right? Hold it and relax. Lift your knee up. Yes, lift your leg up, hold it and down. We are not supposed to do this way, okay? We are supposed to place our leg on pillow itself. Just lift your foot, make your knee tight, try to hold it for count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. So next is we have to do the heel sliding exercise. What happens if you are having long time of standing work or you have to walk for longer time and all, we tend to get the stiffness in the knee, okay? And even if there is pain, your joint is tend to get stiff. Your muscles are tend to get stiff. So a simple heel slide exercise also helps to remove the stiffness in the joint, and you feel much relief in pain and stiffness and even in the movement. So in that, what we are supposed to do is we have to lie down, and one at a time we just have to slide our heel how much ever we can bend the knee. If the pain is more and if you can bend it just this way, then even that is fine. After few repetitions, the range might increase, okay? So you just have to take your knee, hold it, okay, and slowly slide your heel down. We are not supposed to lift our heel this way and just keep it this way, like just fold it and then take it down, okay? We have to do it very slowly. Just slide your heel. We are not supposed to lift it. Hold your knee. Try to hold it for some time and then slowly slide it back. Right. Do it again. Yes. And down. Do it again. And down. Right. So for this exercise, you can do it a number of times whenever you are relaxing in your bed or just lying down. If you are just lying down on your sofa also, just in between you can relax your knees so that the stiffness coming to your joint will get reduced, and even you will feel relief in your pain also, right? And the next exercise we are doing is the hamstring curl. Okay, so whenever it comes to the knee, the major portion or the major part is played by the quadriceps muscles and hamstring muscles, right? So if your quadriceps muscles are weak, the stress comes on the hamstring joint, and if the hamstrings are tight, the stress comes on the quadriceps muscles, right? So the both in the knee rehab, we work on both the muscles, right? So we have done most of the exercise for the quadriceps muscles, but now we are doing the exercise for the hamstring muscle, right? So you have to lie down, right, and just fold your knee and down. Even this exercise, it releases the stress coming on your knee. And this movement in all the daily activities, if you must have observed, we don't tend to bend our knee this much, right? So when we do it, the strength of the hamstring muscles increases and the stress coming on the knee joint also reduces. So this is very useful exercise. If you are having lot of pain, you can just do it till 90 degree and down. Again and down. And as the pain gets relieved, you can increase the range as per your comfort. And down. And when we do this exercise, our quadriceps muscles are getting stretched, right? So the stiffness in the quadriceps muscle also gets reduced. So this is a very important exercise. So even if you are having a lot of pain also, you can just do it till 90 degree and down. So that will relieve the pain, right? So these are the 5 basic exercises which you can try at your home. So I think as I have shown you, just try it at your home and just let me know in the comments how you feel it after doing that. Okay. Thank you so much.